If you want to wash the underside of your motorcycle, it's very difficult because the bike is too low. Using the center stand doesn't provide enough height. Buying a specialized lift table is quite expensive. If you want to make a DIY motorcycle lift, this is the cheapest and most durable solution. To make the lift cradle, use a round iron pipe 35 cm long, with a diameter of 21 mm and a thickness of 3 mm. Weld a 20 cm long section onto this pipe to create a swivel joint. Insert a steel rod through this round pipe to act as the pivot axis. Then, weld it into the center of an iron frame that is 30 cm wide. To make the stand, use an iron section 50 cm long with a diameter of 27 mm and weld a 25 cm section in the middle. Weld bearings onto both sides of the steel bar to make moving the bike easier. After that, weld a short piece of iron to the side of the pipe. This piece is used to lock the stand so the motorcycle doesn't roll away. Use an iron pipe that is 1 meter long with a diameter of 27 mm. Bend the top at a 45-degree angle to create the lever handle. Finally, weld this lever handle onto the main stand. To make a stand for manual bikes, use a round iron pipe with a diameter of 21 mm. The length of the iron pipe should be 80 cm. Weld a 20 cm section in the middle and a 20 cm section at the bottom. These two curved iron sections are to support the foot pegs of the motorcycle. Once finished, paint it to make it look good. And the way to use it is extremely simple. Place the stand under the chassis, then press down on the lever, and the bike will be lifted up. The red round steel bar in the middle is the pivot, so it can rotate freely. When it touches the underside, it tilts to match the angle of the frame, allowing the support to sit flush instead of pressing at one point. Thanks to the center pivot, this stand automatically adjusts to the tilt of the bike's undercarriage, whether toward the front or the back. Insert this yellow metal bar through the locking hole to secure the lifting mechanism, preventing the lever from snapping back and keeping the stand stable to avoid the bike from dropping unexpectedly. Once the bike is lifted and locked safely, the space under the chassis is large enough for you to clean even the most hard-to-reach areas. You can easily spray and wash the undercarriage, wheels, and all the components underneath. At the same time, the lift stand still allows you to move the bike around smoothly, which is very convenient for washing or maintenance. For manual bikes, you just need to swap out the stand. Thanks to the swivel pivot in the center, the bike can be rotated to the left or right on the spot without needing to be lowered.